we're gonna go on a trip, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go on a trip.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm excited. We're going to Disneyland.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Disneyland.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I can see the plane over there.
Yeah, me too. But first, let's pack our stuff. Yeah.
Oh,
I
wow.
have a Mickey Mouse bag, and this is what I'm gonna be packing.
I'm gonna open this. I've got lots of stuff in here.
Let's close.
And I think, oh yeah, I got my phone here.
Connect.
Yep. Okay, I'll put that inside. We can trade stuff, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is exciting. What is going on here?
We're going to Disney. Yeah.
What? Okay, without me? You're our principal. This is just a girls' trip.
Yeah. You can pay home.
This is just like not a school thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. The airplane's taking off without us! Oh my god! Oh no! We barely even packed our stuff. I'm gonna go chase after it. Wait! Wait! We're not ready.
You're not ready.
Oh no, I think it's already in the sky.
No.
Oh no. You know what? I think I'm gonna jump really high to get onto it.
Same.
3, 2, 1. We're in the middle of the sky. I'm still falling. Wait, what is going on here?
Oh, I was in the plane.
Wait, how are you flying?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what? Skipper, what are you doing here? I'm stuck. Oh my god. What? Wait, this is our flight. Wait, who's flying this plane? What? What? She's flying the plane?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what are you doing? No! I'm falling. Oh no! Maybe.
He came back!
Stop chasing us!
Stop chasing us!
Okay. Wait. Wait. What if we find a unicorn to help us fly?
Yeah. Wait, yeah, that's a good idea.
Let's find a
Yeah,
unicorn.
not coming on the trip.
Calm down, big guy. It's taking off again. We have to do something.
Yeah, we have to do something. The panda came back.
Oh no, it's already taking off. I think
It's totally taking off without us.
again.
Yeah, again.